Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to use Google Ads for keyword research. So when you basically go ahead and, open up the keyword planner, you can go ahead and enter topics and phrases or even URLs from your own site or other sites, and Google will then create ideas for you. So to start, you just want to go ahead and simply enter a summary about your business in like 1 to 3 words, and then you want to click on get started. Okay, for example, a flower shop, right? Click on get started, and then you will find an entire list of curated keyword ideas. So let me show you an example. So as you can see now, it has found ideas, keyword ideas for the main keyword flower shop, right? And here you'll see tons of potential keywords for your next campaign. And on the right hand side right here, you will basically see, you know, information, different metrics where you'll be able to see the amount of money you need to bid per click on each keyword. And this gives you an idea on what to expect to spend on these keywords. Okay, and you can also see the competition, the average monthly searches, and you can go ahead and basically find something that is untapped, but it's not that expensive to advertise to. You can take advantage of that, and it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.